So today we're going to be exploring trains with a special guest named Zadie.
Hi.
So this one is a 094,
I see your toes.
a big locomotive. It's on train. Some lights right there. You have the holes in the windows and all that stuff. The ladder. The caution thing. So yeah. Dun. Just watch it just ride. We have the same one here. That's the same though.
I just came out of my home under the table.
That's your home?
Of course it is. Where else? Inside of these rooms?
Yeah, these rooms are your home.
The table is my home.
And we got this one right here. This one's pretty cool but small. We got a vent, we got the pole again, we got all this. Yeah, they're the same one over there. Choo-choo. Okay, we get another one.
Whoa, that slide was cool.
You wanna do it again? We got this BNSF here. Barely. Okay, we got the CN here. Choo-choo, there's the horn, the front. The Amtrak. CSX. We got the locomotive, 47. Another 47.
You know what's so cool that you know all the
A C47-9. Wait, that's the person we saw at the pool. That's the one we saw at the pool. That's what we saw at the pool over there. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, then we have this car for the 747. We have this GPO. That's when it was made in 1959. We got another Amtrak. And then we got a CN car. 79240. And we got another C47. We got a C47 car. And then we got a locomotive car. We got a coal car for another locomotive. We got a CSX car for a CSX train and other trains. We got another locomotive with GPO. And then we got a C4X39 car with the shovel. That's for dirt. And then this one, the same one. A CN box, a cargo car. 724895X. 5, yeah. We got a passenger Amtrak car, passenger. We got a BNSF car. We got flat cars. And then we got this one.
elevator.
Huh? But you spit them out.
Sorry.
We got the BNSF right here, BNSF. We got another one. Boom. Okay, so that is everything, but not exactly. Because we still have a couple more. Now we have a little bit of cars that I bought my trains. Because I'm on vacation. We have this car right here. We have a 4X Totio. We got a Dodge car. We got a little white car that's nice. This is a super nice car. It's a model. Okay. Then we got this truck. And the trailer is right here, a Chuck E. Cheese truck. And then we got this nice little car here. We got this truck, fast lane. And we got this nice old Lamborghini. Little Lamborghini. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Say bye.
Sorry, I was hardly inside the video, but I'm really tired because I just went in the pool. So bye.